Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the front door for this Opel Insignia 2014. Okay, we're going to need a toolbox, a screwdriver, small screwdriver, and an electric drill if you want to move faster, or you can use the ratchet. Okay, open the door. First of all, we're going to have to identify where we have to start first. So the first step is we have to remove the check strap with a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extension. If you want to move faster, use the electric drill. Să știi că oricum ești într-un videoclip bulă. Okay, now we have to unplug this plug from here. But first of all, we're gonna have to remove this rubber. So what we're gonna have to do, it's like that. We're gonna have to push here, up here, gonna have to push down, and he's gonna come out, because when we push up here, we're gonna push this clip down and he's gonna unlock. Okay, and he's gonna come out, and then we're gonna have to insert this small screwdriver in this small hole here, okay, on this pink plug. Okay, so we're gonna have to insert the screwdriver like that, and I'm gonna have to push down like that. So let's do this. Okay, push, insert, push. Okay, or you can push from down, you push up like that. Yeah, push. It's up to you. If you have another screwdriver which is bent like that, it's much better. Or you can push from down, push up, and remove like that. Then push the plug down, pull it out, and it's out. Now you can use a spanner with a 10mm spanner, or you can use the ratchet. I'm going to use the ratchet. I'm going to start from down. On this job, you're gonna have to ask somebody to help you to remove the door, because at the last bolt you're gonna need help, because the door is very heavy. So you're gonna need somebody to help you to remove the door, so don't damage another part. I don't know, a seal or the wing or the part itself. Okay, second, third one. Now I'm gonna ask my colleague to help me. Florin, come and help me, please. Hai, Dumnezeu, vine să mă ajut. Okay, if you don't have nobody to help you, you're gonna have to hold this handle, but very strong. With you have to put the foot like that here, and keep very strong the handle, and start unscrewing. Don't forget, the door is very heavy, so don't drop it on your foot. Yeah, hold it very strong, because it's very heavy. Okay, unscrew it, hold the mirror, turn like that, and put the door down. Okay, now hold the mirror, hold the door like that, hold the handle like that, and move. That's it. And now you can put back the good part. This is the way how you remove the front door. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, if you can comment on a comment section below.